welcome to another interesting episode of To The Ladies on Vermont TV. I'm your girl Opemiko, and I know last week I broke a lot of tables because I was talking about bonnets. Like, I got plenty feedbacks from people, messages, calls about people talking to me about bonnets, blah 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 blah. But today I'm back again to break more tables. Like, this time around we are scattering the table finally, because today's episode is not going to be based on ladies alone. We'll be talking about guys also. Like, this program is just for guys today, not for ladies anymore. So just sit back, relax, as we'll be talking about the drama queens. Pum, pum, pum. Yeah, we're talking about the drama queens. And what are the drama queens? Ladies are the drama queens, of course. So just sit back, relax, because we're going to be talking about this one after the other. Some guys are even interested, like they're so bothered why some ladies can be so dramatic. Some ladies, if they pretend to be dramatic for you, or if they start their drama, like, you'll be so frustrated and tired. So guys have questions of why ladies can be so dramatic. Why are they always bringing up dramas and all sorts of things? But just sit back, let me go on a short break because I have bills to pay.
Leadership skills development in our students. Our teachers are well trained to meet the challenges of different learning in an environment that is conducive for learning. We have excellent boarding facilities, recreational facilities including swimming, taekwondo, football, and table tennis. Transatlantic International College Shagamu. Admission 2021 process starts with the common entrance examination from 6th of March 2021 till July 24, 2021.
Welcome back, guys. I said the other time that today's episode is going to be focusing majorly on the masculine gender. You know, my gender has wala, myself no. So, and a lot of guys out there really don't know why some ladies can be so dramatic. So I'll be talking about why ladies can be dramatic and why they are termed drama queens. So number one is too much of Korean movies. Let me talk about that aspect though. Like, you know, we ladies, we love movies a lot. We love watching movies and all. So once you start watching Korean movies, I know Korean movies mostly is about love, romance and all. And you see Jangguba and Yoo Gon-pyo in love, and when Jangguba is angry, Jangguba is the lady, she starts breaking things in the house. And you know how these Korean movies, how they decorate their houses with home appliances and all, and she starts destroying the things, and the guy will be like, hey, pio, and the girl will be like, she'll scatter everything, and the guy will be begging her. So Jangguba will now be angry and leave the house. And you know how they do Korean movies now, you just see that everywhere rain starts falling and all, and she just be outside, and the guy will run after her, and you just see umbrella from nowhere, and camera will be rotating, and you see them glued in love, and you be like, oh my god. And you know all those their romantic songs they sing, and when you are watching those kind of series, you'll be like, love is sweet. But it's in movies. Wake up. It's in movies. So if you're so addicted to all these kind of movies, you start bringing it into your relationship, and you start causing unnecessary drama because you want that kind of energy in your relationship. It doesn't work that way. Korean movies, they can be like that just to make you watch their movies, but be realistic, it cannot always be that way. Another reason why ladies can be so dramatic is because of social media. Social media is one factor that causes drama, that can make you be unnecessarily dramatic. Because when you see tweets online like any peaceful relationship that there is no fight is not worth it, then you'll be like, oh my god, me and my boyfriend, we've not fought in the past 2 weeks, let me start something so that we can fight. And then you bring up drama. Yeah, it happens a lot. You hear motivational speakers even saying that any relationship that has no fight is not on this and that, and because of that you bring it up in your relationship. It's not like, that's why some ladies can go to any length, to the extent of shedding crocodile tears, oh my god, when they want to start their drama. You hear, this is Ofino, you promised me life, you promised me hope, look at me, look at the suffer, for no reason, and the guy didn't do anything, just to bring up drama. And of course, just like they are bringing up drama and all, drama also adds spice to the relationship. It makes it interesting because at times you can get bored and you want to practice new things in your relationship, so you bring up drama. I know it happens that way, but when it gets too much, it's not making any sense. It can be so annoying. Like, guys are really complaining bitterly about a lady that is being so dramatic. See, let me tell you this format, guys. When your lady is dramatic, when she brings drama any time of the day and all, the best way to just attack her is just to ignore. If you fall for it and you start begging, sweetheart, sorry, darling, you know I love you, blah 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 blah, she'll enjoy doing it more, like, and it will become an habit. She'll keep doing it over and over again, and you keep begging. But once she starts a drama, just ignore, just leave her for a while. She'll be the one coming back to say, guy, I was saying my things and you didn't just talk, and you'll be like, I know it to be settled. So that's why some ladies are being so dramatic. They tend to be dramatic to gain attention of guys. They tend to be dramatic because they want to break up. It can be used to break up as well. Being dramatic, you can use it as a tool. Just bring 2 things, 3 things together, add it up, cause drama, and that's the end of the relationship. It can be used to crave for attention. If you are the kind of babe that love being attended to, you love being spoiled, you love being called romantic names, blah 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 blah, you can bring up drama to make your guy know that you are still beautiful. And to even shock you more, most ladies that are dramatic are extremely beautiful girls. They know they are beautiful and they always want to feel on top of the world. They want you to know that you cannot see somebody like them. So when they bring up the drama, just know that it's because of that. Like, they don't want you to see them as a nobody or someone you can replace at any time. So guys, you really need to understand her love language. Like, some of us, we can be so critical and so dramatic. Like, when a girl tells you, leave me alone, she's actually telling you, hold me, touch me, kiss me, hold me. But once she says, leave me alone, you just leave and you go. And it will just kill that's whatever things you guys share. So once a baby says, leave me alone, no, she's saying, hold me, touch me, hold me, hug me, kiss me. But if they say leave me alone, you will just walk away and you just go and stay. And the girl will start crying now. This life, I'm tired, I've suffered, all blah 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 blah. And you just end up begging again. But once she tells you, hold me, leave me alone, just hold her, just beg her, just end everything like that. Just that way. And babes too, let's talk about we ladies. Ladies too, see, of course, when we are being dramatic, there are so many things we say. Please mind how you approach your guys when being dramatic. It has destroyed a lot of relationship. In the midst of you trying to make sure things work out, those things you say might even damage the relationship more and make it more hard to amend. So please, when you are fighting your guy, or you are trying to be dramatic, or you are trying to call his attention to 1 or 2 things, just do it with style. Don't call him all sort of names. It can end up doing a lot of things that you might not even find funny at the end of the day. So just make it balanced that way. And like I said, the best way to catch a drama queen is by playing a drama to her as well. Once you start a drama, you need to start your drama, and then she'll be like, wow, I'm overreacting, I need to calm down. This guy is not as simple as I think he is. Then everything will be settled. So we've come to the end of today's episode of To The Ladies on Remo TV. I hope you enjoyed it. You can join us reaching all our social media handles, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube at Official Remo TV. You can as well reach us on our website at www.remotv.com.ng. I remain your girl, Okwemiko.